I think the biggest surprise for us and the thing that exceeded expectations was the field coaching, on hands-on coaching that we did for almost a year or slightly more, I think, with WRP. For me, the initial understanding was that we will do the training and then we will, somebody will spend time on the ground training people. I felt it was more like on-the-job training, but it was much more than that. It was focused on actually showing people on the field. It was spending time with the managers and spending time with the leadership to make sure that things are happening in a certain way. And I think that level of rigor, nobody else I've ever seen to do. And I think that was definitely exceeded expectation, but also something that taught me that this is what learning and development looks like, because everybody talks about on-the-job training and hands-on training in addition to classroom training, but nobody does it to this level. And for me, something clicked as a manager as well to say, okay, this is the level of sort of focus that's needed. And that's why we kept extending that time. And, we still feel like, okay, that would be a great, benefit to have something like that, but it's, we can't really afford it at that level for too long. But, but I think that's the most unique thing about WRP, I think, and the place that they would go the extra mile to make sure things are implemented. I think the biggest reason I would recommend WRP to any other social enterprise is the holistic nature of the consulting engagement. And I think that the biggest challenge that social enterprises have is that they tackle one part of the problem. You need somebody to look at it from idea to implementation, which is what I've not seen anyone else focus on. So I think and sales needs results. So that's why I recommend everybody to say they will do the end-to-end. If you can afford them, you should definitely.